think that the parties to the NADCO negotiation, which was co-chaired by Kalonzo Musyoka and Ichung'wah, and the party political affairs secretary Opiyo Wandayi and minority leader was a member. We demand that the resolutions of NADCO, because we have noticed that there is hesitation on the part of UDA from making sure that NADCO is implemented and the legislation is passed. We are telling our political friends on the other side that they must implement NADCO within the timelines that was agreed in the committee. Otherwise, we'll go back to where we were. And you know where we were? I think these are the 5 resolutions. We continue to support Raila Amolo Odinga as our party leader. And because no vacancy has been announced in the seat of the party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga continues to be the party leader of ODM. As many of that opinion say aye. Aye. While appreciating the work that the party in Tia has done and in the sub-counties and the branches, we urge the counties, the county coordinating committee and the sub-counties to intensify the recruitment of party members and verification of members before the party election. We want to make sure Nisiaya remains an orange county. As many of that opinion say aye. We here resolve. Now we must have regular meetings of the party at all levels, from the polling stations upwards up to the county coordinating committee. As many of that opinion say aye. We as a party, I want to say, even if we don't get together, but we will try to help those who lost their loved ones and those who fell victims during the Mandamano. As many of that opinion say aye. Aye. As many of the country opinion say nay. The ayes have it.